In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a page in Confluence. Renaming pages is a simple but really useful skill, especially if you're organizing documentation, updating project names, or just making your workspace easier to navigate. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Confluence space. First, make sure you're logged into Confluence and that you have the page open that you want to rename. You'll need to have permission to edit or manage that page. If you don't, you may not see the options we're about to use. On your open page, look toward the top right area of the screen. There you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Actions menu. This menu holds additional options that don't fit into the main toolbar. Move your mouse over to those 3 dots and click on them. If you're having trouble finding it, just scan the top bar of the page until you see the 3-dot icon. It's usually close to the edit or share buttons. Once you click on the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take on the page. This is where you can do things like move the page, view page history, and what we're interested in today, rename the page. In that menu, look for the option labeled Rename. The wording may be exactly rename, and it should be fairly easy to spot among the other options. Go ahead and click on Rename. When you do this, a field will appear where you can edit the page title. Your current page title will already be there, highlighted or ready for you to type over. Carefully type in the new name you want for your page. Try to choose a title that is clear, descriptive, and easy for your teammates to recognize later. For example, instead of a vague title like Notes, you might rename it to something more specific like Q1 Project Planning Notes. After you've entered the new name, confirm the change by saving or applying it, depending on what your Confluence version shows. The page will refresh or update, and you should now see your new title at the top of the page and in the page tree on the left side. That's all there is to it. By clicking the 3 dots beside the page and then selecting Rename, you can quickly keep your Confluence space organized and up to date.